Alright, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much you rate me?
You?
Yeah.
9.
8.
What may I put to get it 10?
We have to be 10.
Yeah.
Lose weight.
Well, princezach, I'm back in the place doing another video. I'm gonna ask a simple question today. The question is about on a scale of 1 to 10, how much you rate me? You see me? That alone make ask. So here we go. Let's ready up.
Crystal, you know just say it.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much you rate me?
9.5.
9.5. What me have to forget it 10?
Change a little bit to raise them.
Yeah, boy.
You know, thanks. I'm not about to ask you actually. Thanks. What name?
Vanessa.
I see.
What?
I see.
I see. Alright. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much you rate me?
5.
10.
Alright. When me have to forget it 10?
Eh?
When me have to forget it 10?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
How give me 5?
Because I want to give 5.
But I couldn't give me 10. So how much have to forget it 10? Just tell me.
You have to eat out of plate.
Take all this bomb. That's your blade. Yeah, trouble there, you want.
What's your name?
Tamara. Teddy.
Alright. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much you rate me?
You?
Yeah.
9.
8.
What me have to forget it 10?
We have to be 10.
Yeah.
Lose weight. You're too fat.
Same.
They ask you
People gonna watch it.
say that you're
Slim,
fine.
you're
You're not really fine. You just can't get into it.
What's your name?
Antoinette.
Alright, Anto. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much you rate me by?
8.
8. How me have to forget it 10?
Well, your behavior.
How me behave?
Boy, if you don't get
What's your name?
Roshana.
What?
Roshana.
Alright, Roshana. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much you rate me by?
2.5.
They ask you how are you, you just have to say that you're fine. You're not really fine. You just can't get into it.
What's your name, miss?
Renee Wilson.
On a scale of 1 to 10, Renee, how much you rate me by?
8.
8. How me have to forget it 10?
Lose weight.
Alright, thanks. Next. Alright. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much you rate me?
8.
8. What me have to forget it 10?
Get a little slimmer.
Yeah. No fun!
They ask you how are you, you just have to say that you're fine.
People, it's the end of the video. I'm one video, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You see me that me I tell you right now. Subscribe to my channel. And the better at the back comment, please excuse. You see, just subscribe, comment, and tell me how me do. You see me? It's a mad thing in the daddy. How much you rate me?
9.5.
9.5. Again, you couldn't give me 10. For me. Yeah, but still have you know.
Because you're too annoying.
yeah, boy.
Can't believe them things that people have. Out.